rid of your hiccups. Surely that worked. Almost shawty, get rid of the hiccups. Almost shawty.
Sorry, it didn't even work.
That's my Mosheria kick. If that don't work, nothing's gonna work. Nothing.
Stop biting.
How about if I bite on your ear?
Stop biting on my mouth.
Maybe that'll stop the hiccups.
No, it didn't even work.
How you know?
No. Stop biting my ear.
How about if I get on your neck?
Stop it!
Yeah, I'm sure that worked.
You're in big trouble.
Let's see. Shh. Oh, I give up. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. I've tried every cure I have. Poor baby Mickey. Mickey? Mickey.
What?
Would you stop hiccuping, please? Would you?
Hi there, my little man.
Cover that old belly. Nobody wants to see your old belly. Nobody wants to see your belly. Ew. Ew.